Om Namah Shivaya, my name is Marc. I'm a Sivananda Yoga teacher based in Greenwich, London. Please subscribe to my channel. I will teach you yoga in all situations, even balancing on a wheel. Hari Om Tat Sat. Om Namah Shivaya. Have you ever heard about Bhramari? The sound of the bee. It's a wonderful pranayama practice, very nourishing for the nervous system. And it's quite easy to practice. I have talent, so I can snore. The inhalation itself is not so important as the exhalation. So with an inhalation, you can try it with the snoring sound. Then gently hold, retain the breath. And then try to exhale with the sound of the bee. You can change the pitch even higher or lower. The idea is to prolong the exhalation as much as you can. This will strengthen the lungs, this will focus, or you get more focus, you can concentrate more internally. And when you do this for a few rounds, let's try it together. Inhalation. Retain. And slowly exhale with the sound. Bee is landing. In addition, we can practice Bhramari also with the mudra. The mudra supports pratyahara. It's the withdrawing of the senses in Sanskrit. What we do is we bring the thumbs on top of the ears and gently closing the ears. We bring the index finger towards the forehead, the middle finger towards the eyelids. It's pointing, it's symbolically to point towards the thinking, or we call it chitta, the mind. The ring finger towards the nostrils and little finger towards the mouth. So when you inhale with the snoring sound, gently close press the thumb into the ears. The more you close or slightly open, you can play with this. You can feel more resonance coming through the skull. So you get a deeper experience of the sound of the bee, of Bhramari. And please practice. Leave your comments, ask me questions. Happy to get around and come back to you as quickly as possible. And subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Hari Om Tat Sat. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Hari Om Tat Sat.